Hi, this is Brother Sean with eLearning Brothers. In this screencast, I'd like to show you how to use our Adobe Captivate 6 Player Skin widgets. Now I have a project open up right now in Adobe Captivate, and the first thing we're going to want to do is go to our master slide. We're actually going to put this widget on the master slide so that it'll show for the entire project. And we're actually going to put it on the very first thumbnail down here on our master slide. It's the biggest one. It's the one where you'd control the colors and textures that you want to cascade through all of the other slides. So it's the very first one here. So when that's selected, you'll want to go up to Insert, Widget. These are player skin widgets, so they actually go inside the project, and click that, and then navigate to the file that you downloaded. From the eLearning template library, when you download a player widget, you're actually downloading the WDGT file. Now this WDGT file is what you'd actually insert. That's the widget file. So when you selected the one you want, click Open. You'll notice that it gets inserted in the background, and then this widget properties box pops up. This is where you can give your course title, type in the name here. I'm just going to call it Demo Course. You can turn buttons on or off by simply unchecking or checking them. Then you can also change the colors of all the elements on the skin. Note that the icon color is, there's a Swift icon color and an HTML5 icon color. If you do export your skin as an HTML5 player, just note that there's just black and white options. It's limited support on the HTML5 just through the settings in Captivate there. And at any time you can click Restore to restore them back to all the default colors and default settings. Click OK once you've selected those. Also note that if you need to at any time go back in and modify any of those settings, just make sure your widget's highlighted, come over to your Properties tab, and then you can click Widget Properties, and it pops open that same box so you can go and make changes at any time. Next thing we want to do is we need to align our player skin to the top left corner of our project. And the easiest way and best way of doing that is on the Properties tab over here on the right, go down to Transform, this Transform section, and then make sure your X and your Y coordinates are set to 0. And then visually on the timeline or on the stage here, you'll see that that widget is now aligned in the top left corner. Alright, and let's go ahead and just do a quick preview of the project, and we'll see what it looks like. There's going to be a few things that look a little weird, and then I'm going to show you how to do those in the next screencast, how to correct those things. Alright, so you'll see here's our player skin right up here. You'll see that there's another player skin down here. There's these black borders that go around the edge. There's this white border here. So there's a few things that look weird, and the reason that is because we've placed a player skin within another player skin. So in the next screencast, I'm going to show you how to turn off the original Captivate player skin and how to get everything else to actually look right on here.